Nowadays, everyone is carrying a lot of confidential data on their phones. Be it bank details, personal files, your family pictures, it could be anything. But what if you lose your phone or it gets stolen? What then? That's where Rakshak Anti-Theft Mobile Tracker comes in. Rakshak app is loaded with features that not only tracks your phone but safeguards all your personal data. You can find your phone with the app's location tracking system, which locates your phone and keeps refreshing the recent location real time. It also enables the front and back camera, which sends you pictures of the location or of the person who has your phone. It also disables the phone power key and the factory reset keys so that no one can wipe your phone's data manually. It also gives you all the details of the new SIM once it's inserted in your stolen phone. These are just a few features. Now let's see how Rakshak app works. Once you lose your phone, you can log into www.technorigin.com. Click on login, enter your mobile number, enter your password. The following options show up where you can silent lock your phone or ring lock your phone. Pressing any of the two will lock your phone wherever it is. There are options to view the live location of where your phone is, as well as get pictures from your lost phone's camera. Now what if you do not have internet access? Simple. While registering, you have an option of giving access to 5 alternate numbers. Plus, you get a 6-digit code. Just get hold of any of those 5 alternate numbers and SMS RING, your 6-digit passcode, to your stolen phone's number. And voila, your phone gets logged in seconds. You start receiving your phone's location via links in SMS. These SMSs are sent on your alternate phone. Now what if your phone gets stolen and there is no access to your alternate number? What then? Well, for that, while setting up Rakshak, you have multiple options which trigger your phone to self-lock. Let's see what these are. Do not touch lock. The app senses the touchscreen and touch lock the phone down. USB eject. Pulling the charger cable or disconnect the USB from a comp locks the phone down. USB connect. Plugging in a USB connector to take out data locks the phone down. Pocket lock. Sudden movements such as a phone getting snatched or pickpocketed goes ahead and locks your phone down. Movement lock. The app here senses any kind of motion and locks your phone. Rakshak is also handy when it comes to tracking your family members. You just need to turn live tracking feature on and set the interval, and you will keep getting frequent updates of where your family member is. The word Rakshak means protector, and very soon the app will be diversifying its protection beyond phones into mobile commerce through Mera Bazaar, a platform where retailers can sign up and sell their products. Service providers can also be a part of this, where they can be contacted for their services, especially today where social distancing is the new norm. Rakshak Mart, another open mobile commerce platform where you can buy products of daily needs, electronics, commodities and anything. Organic Agromart, a platform for our good old farmers where they get all their basic farming needs to boost their farming produce as a subsidized cost. And we have Organic Buyer and Seller platform where our farmers can directly sell their fresh produce to any one of us. So, protect yourselves and others around you. Log on to the Google Play Store and install Rakshak today.